Today we are going to learn about optimizing Jupyter Notebooks for collaboration. We'll explore essential techniques to enhance teamwork in data science by configuring, sharing, and managing Jupyter Notebooks effectively. Welcome to our session on optimizing Jupyter Notebooks for collaboration. In today's interconnected world, collaboration is a cornerstone of successful data science and research projects. However, notebooks can often become chaotic when multiple users are involved, leading to confusion and inefficiencies. In this video, we'll delve into strategies that can transform your Jupyter Notebooks into powerful collaborative tools. We will cover setting up JupyterHub for multi-user access, integrating version control with GitHub, organizing notebooks effectively, and more. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to make your notebooks a collaborative success.
JupyterHub is a multi-user server for Jupyter Notebooks, allowing teams to collaborate seamlessly. Setting it up involves a few steps. First, ensure that your server has Python installed, as JupyterHub is a Python application. Next, you can install JupyterHub using pip, a package manager for Python. Once installed, you'll configure JupyterHub to manage multiple users. This involves setting up authentication, so each team member has their own login credentials. Security is paramount, so consider using SSL encryption to protect your data. With JupyterHub, teams can work efficiently on shared projects, accessing the same environment and data without the hassle of individual setups. This setup is particularly beneficial for educational institutions and research teams, as it centralizes resources and streamlines collaboration. Version control is crucial for any collaborative project, and GitHub is one of the best tools available for this purpose. To integrate GitHub with your Jupyter Notebooks, you'll first need to install Git on your system. Once installed, you can start initializing repositories for your notebooks. This allows you to track changes, collaborate with team members, and backtrack to previous versions if needed. To facilitate collaboration, use Git branches to work on different features or sections of your project without interfering with the main codebase. When changes are ready, merge them back into the main branch. GitHub's interface makes it easy to manage pull requests and resolve any conflicts that may arise. By integrating GitHub with Jupyter, you create a robust framework for collaboration, ensuring that everyone is working with the most up-to-date versions of your project. A well-organized notebook is key to effective collaboration. Start with a clear table of contents to provide a roadmap of your notebook's structure. Use descriptive titles for each section to help team members understand the purpose and content at a glance. Consistent naming conventions for variables and functions enhance readability and reduce confusion. Documenting your code with comments is vital, as it provides context for your decisions and logic. Organize content logically, grouping related cells together and using headings to separate different sections. Finally, keep your notebooks clean by removing any unnecessary output or redundant code. An organized notebook not only aids collaboration but also makes your work more accessible and understandable to others.
JupyterLab is an advanced interface for Jupyter Notebooks, providing a more integrated and interactive environment. One of its standout features is real-time collaboration, which allows multiple users to edit the same notebook simultaneously. This is particularly useful for brainstorming sessions or when working on complex projects that require immediate input from team members. JupyterLab also supports a variety of plugins and extensions that enhance its functionality. For instance, you can use the JupyterLab Git extension to manage Git repositories directly within the interface. Other tools enable real-time chat, allowing team members to communicate without leaving the notebook. With its robust features, JupyterLab is an excellent choice for teams that require a high degree of interactivity and collaboration. Viewer is a powerful tool for sharing Jupyter Notebooks. It allows you to render your notebooks into static HTML pages, making them accessible to anyone with a web browser. This is particularly useful for sharing results with stakeholders or collaborators who do not have Jupyter installed. To use Viewer, simply upload your notebook to a platform like GitHub or Dropbox, and then paste the link into Viewer. The tool will generate a public URL that you can share with others. If privacy is a concern, you can host your notebooks on a private server and use Viewer to render them internally. Additionally, Viewer supports embedding, allowing you to showcase your work on websites or blogs. By leveraging Viewer, you can make your notebooks accessible to a wider audience, facilitating collaboration and communication.
Feedback is critical in collaborative projects, and incorporating comments and annotations into your Jupyter Notebooks can greatly enhance communication. Comments in code provide immediate insights into your logic and reasoning, making it easier for others to understand and build upon your work. Markdown cells are perfect for annotations, as they allow you to add detailed explanations and context to your notebooks. For collaborative review processes, consider using tools like Review, which integrate with GitHub to enable seamless notebook reviews. These tools allow team members to comment on specific lines of code, discuss potential improvements, and approve changes. By fostering an environment of open communication, you can ensure that your team works harmoniously and effectively towards your project goals.
Managing dependencies is crucial in collaborative projects to ensure consistency and compatibility across different systems. The environment.yml file is a convenient way to specify the packages and versions required for your project. To create this file, use the conda-env export command, which will generate a list of all the installed packages in your environment. This file can then be shared with your team, allowing everyone to replicate the same environment on their machines using the conda-env create command. By versioning your packages, you can prevent compatibility issues that may arise from updates or changes in dependencies. Ensuring that everyone is working with the same tools and libraries is essential for maintaining a smooth workflow and avoiding unexpected errors.
Reproducibility is a cornerstone of scientific research, and Binder is an excellent tool for ensuring that your Jupyter notebooks can be easily reproduced by others. Binder allows you to create shareable, interactive versions of your notebooks that can be run in a web browser. To create a Binder-ready repository, you'll need to ensure that your project includes an environment.yml or requirements.txt file to specify dependencies. Once your repository is prepared, you can use the Binder platform to generate a link that launches your notebook in a fully configured environment. This link can be shared with collaborators, allowing them to explore and run your notebooks without the need for local installations. By using Binder, you can enhance the transparency and credibility of your work, making it accessible to a global audience.
We've covered a lot in this video on optimizing Jupyter notebooks for collaboration. From setting up JupyterHub for multi-user access to ensuring reproducibility with Binder, each strategy is designed to enhance your team's ability to work together effectively. Collaboration is essential in today's data-driven world, and by implementing the tools and techniques discussed, you can ensure that your projects are successful and your team is productive. Remember, the key to successful collaboration is communication and organization. So, take these insights, apply them to your projects, and continue to explore new ways to improve your collaborative efforts. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you the best in your collaborative endeavors.